Today we're talking about bone broth and leaky gut must-know answers, because this is one of the most confusing topics in gut wellness. Bone broth is almost always recommended for gut health, but for me, it actually made my symptoms worse, and that was incredibly confusing at the time. One specific reason explained everything for me, and once I understood it, I finally understood why my body was reacting the way it was. I'll walk you through that in just a moment. Bone broth is usually labeled as a gut healing food, so when it didn't feel good for me, I assumed I was doing something wrong. Bone broth is made by cooking bones, sometimes previously cooked bones, for a very long time. And at first glance, that sounds like it should be deeply nourishing. But what I didn't realize yet was what long cooking actually does to the broth. And that piece completely changed how I viewed it. So if bone broth has ever left you feeling worse instead of better, this may be why. Before we get to that, if you're looking for a step-by-step plan to start feeling better this week, be sure to grab my free Gut Reset Jumpstart Guide linked in the description below this video. So this was one of the biggest aha moments for me. Long cooked bone broth is actually very high in glutamic acid, which is a compound that can feel very stimulating to sensitive bodies. It's similar to how some people react to MSG, not because it's artificial, but because it's highly concentrated. For me, this could show up as headaches or a feeling of irritation rather than nourishment. Once I made that connection, a lot of things started to make sense. But glutamic acid wasn't the only issue. There was another layer making bone broth even harder to tolerate. But before we get to that, leave me a comment and let me know which one of these facts so far surprised you the most. Have you already tried meat stock instead of bone broth, or are you new to it? Leave me a comment and I'd love to hear. Histamines were the second big piece of the puzzle for me. Foods that are cooked for a long time, like bone broth, tend to be higher in histamines. When digestion is already sensitive, histamine-rich foods can feel overwhelming instead of supportive. For me, this meant that bone broth added stress to my system at a time when my body really needed calm. Understanding this helped me stop forcing a food that was supposed to be good for me, and that was incredibly freeing. And once I removed bone broth, I still wanted something nourishing, which led me to a gentler option. But before we get to that, if you'd like a shopping list for better digestion, hormones, and mood, be sure to check out my free Real Food for Real Results shopping guide linked in the description below this video. This is where everything finally started to shift for me. Meat stock is made by cooking raw, meaty bones for a much shorter amount of time. Poultry meat stock is cooked for about 1.5 to 3 hours, and beef, pork, lamb, or game meat stock is cooked for 4 to 6 hours, no longer. The shorter cooking time makes a huge difference. In my experience, it keeps histamines low and prevents glutamic acid from building up, which made it feel noticeably calmer for my digestion. This was the first broth-based food that didn't feel stimulating or irritating to my body. But the biggest benefit wasn't just what meat stock didn't have, it was what it did provide. Meat stock naturally contains high amounts of collagen and amino acids from the meat and connective tissue. For me, this feels deeply grounding and supportive. When my digestion felt calmer and less reactive, my body seemed better able to tolerate food overall, instead of feeling inflamed and reacting to everything. And this wasn't about pushing healing. It felt more like giving my body what it needed so it could do its own work. And that difference mattered more than I expected. So if bone broth hasn't felt good for you, it doesn't mean broths aren't for you. It may just mean that preparation and timing really matter. Learning the difference between bone broth and meat stock helps me choose something that actually felt soothing instead of stressful. Start gently, listen to your body, and remember that gut support should feel calming and not overwhelming. And if you want to make some easy food swaps that reduce cravings, inflammation, and brain fog, be sure to check out my free Easy Real Food Swaps guide linked in the description below this video, along with my free Gut Reset Jumpstart Guide and my free Real Food for Real Results shopping guide. All of those are linked in the description below the video. And now that you know about bone broth and leaky gut must-know answers, you might be wondering, how to make one of the most powerful probiotic foods at home. But how do you do that? It all starts by watching this video here next, because when you pair what you're about to learn in this video with what you learned here, it'll be so much more powerful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.